there, it's Jimbo Spread Cheese. This is my tip for the G WIZZ Cycles tank giveaway. So you've just done all of your neck modifications and you've just blended it in and it's all ground and looking smooth and nice, and you know, it's looking like this. And basically if we leave it like that with that kind of smooth finish and the rough finish in there where we haven't ground and welded and modified, if we were to say powder coat it, it might look a bit inconsistent and it's a bit obvious that we've modified it. So my tip today is, if you're doing any modifications like this, there's a couple of ways that you can bring back that kind of rough texture, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So I like to do it with this. This is a needle peening or needle scaler device. It's a pneumatic hammer device and it smacks all these little needles out, and people use it, say if you're in like heavy fabrication and they might be doing a bridge repair and they've got to get all the paint off in the little cracks. So these would be used to prepare the surface. So we're gonna use this all over the whole casting area, and we're gonna check out the difference. So that's it now. After a bit of needle scaling, I think it looks a whole lot better. This neck was raked out to about 45 degrees, so we just de-raked it to 30, and it's looking much more like a modified factory casting. That's it. That's my tip. Spend hours with the needle scaler, making it perfect for something that you're just going to cover it up with paint anyway. It looks awesome. The only other people that are going to know that you did it are other people that have probably done the same thing. Was it worth it? I think so. Absolutely. Thanks, guys.